This is Marcus. He's a bright, artistic child on the autism spectrum. Marcus sees the world in a special way, and today he's going into the forest of puzzles. Deep inside this forest, there's a very special word waiting for us. But we won't know what it is until the end. Can you stay with us to discover today's word?
Yeah! Every day's a new adventure, so much to explore. With Marcus leading the way, there's always more in store.
Marcus found puzzle pieces, but they don't fit together yet. Can you put your hands in front of you and pretend to push them together?
Yeah!
Wow! You helped the puzzle connect. Great job! Uh-oh, there's a missing piece. Can you point with Marcus to show where the piece should go?
Yes,
that's it. You made the puzzle whole again? Don't forget, our word of the day will be revealed at the very end. Keep watching. The puzzle path is glowing. Can you clap 3 times to light it up even more? Ready? Clap, clap, clap. Fantastic! You lit the whole puzzle path. This is the biggest puzzle of all. Can you stretch your arms up high like Marcus, like you're lifting the puzzle into the sky?
You did it!
The rainbow puzzle is complete.
Puzzle.
That's right. Today's word is puzzle. Many kids on the autism spectrum enjoy puzzles because they're calming and exciting at the same time. Puzzles remind us that every piece is important, just like every person. Marcus loves solving puzzles with you. Wow, you joined Marcus on another magical adventure. If you had fun, ask a grown-up to help you like and subscribe. And don't forget, you can join our special raffle. Just visit the We Are Autism adult educational videos and leave a comment with the words Marcus Word Adventure. That way you'll be part of the fun and maybe win your very own Marcus Word Adventure tumbler.
Every day's a new adventure, so much to explore. With Marcus leading the way, there's always more in store. And Marcus, what will we find? Words that sparkle, letters of every kind. From A to Z, the adventure's just